everybody. In this lecture, we are going to know some of the commands of Kali Linux. So let's open the terminal and let's see how we can open a file or directory. So if you want to open a file, click on CD, then click on, let's say we want to open videos. Hit enter. So here you can see we are on the video folder. You have to use cd command to open any file. So let's get back cd dot and let's see what are the folders are here. So this show the list of the folders ls. Now we want to go to the folder email bomber, and if you click on type tab, press tab, then the email bomber folder will open and hit enter, and let's see what are here. So if we want to read readme.md, we have to type cat and then just type r and hit tab, enter. So here you can see, before opening the tool, type this command. This is a email bombing tool to destroy anyone's email addresses. So there are also other basic commands, like if you want to update the Kali Linux system, we have to type apt-get update. And if we want to stop it, we have to type Ctrl C. If after updating the system we have to upgrade it, and to upgrade it we have to type apt-get upgrade. So you should not get that problem. I will fix it later. And if you want to navigate through the commands, you can press on those arrows to go up and down arrows to go down. That's all the basic commands, and here in that website it will be helpful for you if you see all those commands. This is called the link, and see the cheat sheet, and it will be helpful. Thank you.